Rear-end collision injuries and how to recover.
Hi everyone, I'm Jim Adler, the tough, smart lawyer, and this is another one of our frequently asked questions. This time we're tracking rear-end accidents. This is the most common type of car crash, so you should know what to do if you're in one of these.
In a rear-end collision, the front of one vehicle strikes the back of another. Although this kind of crash is the most common, it is also one of the easiest to survive. Vehicles are engineered to absorb the force of crashes at the front and back ends, and those parts of the vehicle are also typically a few feet away from the driver and passengers. In addition, rear-end crashes are often low-speed crashes, which reduces the chance of a dangerous injury. But that's not always true. Rear-end crashes can and do cause serious injuries, especially when one vehicle is much bigger than the other or moving at a higher speed. In those cases, common injuries include broken bones, spinal damage, facial injuries from hitting the steering wheel or dashboard, internal organ damage from seatbelts and airbags, and traumatic brain injuries. In a higher speed crash, the vehicle may also be pushed into traffic or into an object. And even if the victim of a rear-end collision can walk away, that doesn't mean there was no injury. Rear-end accidents often cause whiplash, an injury to the neck and back caused by the head moving back and forth very quickly. This can tear neck tissue, causing pain in the neck, shoulders, and back, as well as headaches, dizziness, numbness, and tingling. Sometimes, this pain lasts many weeks or becomes chronic. Unfortunately, whiplash and some other rear-end collision injuries may not show up right away. The trauma of an accident can mask injuries. If a lot of time goes by before victims see a doctor, the insurance company may use this to argue that the injury is exaggerated or not serious. That's why it's very important to see a doctor soon after a car rear-end wreck and to document that treatment. If you're dealing with an insurance company that won't pay what it should, you should also consider hiring an experienced Texas auto accident lawyer. Attorneys can protect your rights against aggressive insurance adjusters and help you get the best possible compensation for your injuries.
If you were hurt in a rear-end collision and you need help getting fair compensation, call Jim Adler and Associates for a free consultation. You can reach us at 1-800-567-7575 or at jimadler.com.